Taubal River feared death. Police named 7 suspects in St. Joseph Higher Secondary School Suknu arson attack. And food safety officials inspect fruit shops, eatable items sold at Moray. Hello and good evening. You're watching Tom English News. This is Loving Rimai. Now let's have the news in details. A 42-year-old man accidentally fell into Taubal River and he is believed to have been drowned. The incident occurred at Yaripok Leirongtel Pitra village under Andro police station around 9:30 this morning. He has been identified as Thangjam Kunjay Singh of Ukhunchang Mayai Lekai, Taubal district. He is stated to be a laborer. Rescue efforts are on by a combined team of Manipur Fire Service, SDRF, NDRF, and local volunteers as per a report. Kunjay was trying to cross the river when the incident happened. It is believed he was swept away by the strong current of the river water. Police officials from the neighboring police stations came to the site to take stock of the situation. Suknu police has named 7 suspects in the arson attack on St. Joseph Higher Secondary School, Suknu, that took place on May 25 last. The names include top functionaries of Kuki Students Organization KSO Gunpi Block. According to Suknu police, president of Kuki Students Organization KSO Gunpi Block is among the 7 suspects. The other suspects are Jangkolam Simte, 41, son of Sekhopao of Thingbongpai Village, Suknu, General Secretary KSO Gunpi Block, Marcus Paukai Mate Kakai, age 26, son of Khatngam Mate of Sasumpai Village, Vice President Pauminlun Khongsai, age 35, son of Jakongam Khongsai of Langching Village, Games and Sports Secretary Gabriel Lun Khongsai, Tanjalet Haukip, 26, son of Jangkulon Haukep from Paisabi Village, Jamchilel Lungdim Alais Boylen, son of Tangkolen Lungdim of Molem Village, and Zangmin Lun Khongsai Alais Boiler, son of Tanglet. Suknu police appealed to the police to inform them in case anyone has any clue on whereabouts of these individuals. It is worth mentioning that police arrested 3 members of KSO Gunpi Block earlier in connection with the incident, but the KSO Gunpi Block recently denied involvement as members in the arson attack. A team of Food Safety Standards Wing Tengnopal District today inspected fruit shops and eatable items sold at Moray town bordering Myanmar. Officials of the Food Safety Standards Wing were accompanied by Moray police personnel. The drive was conducted from early morning till late afternoon. Food Safety Officer Kripialini and Designated Officer El Subate, Additional Superintendent of Police Moray KH Robinson, DSP Commando, the T.H. Thomas and officer in charge Letko Hau Vaipe were part of the team. The team later instructed all fruit shop owners to abide by the rules and regulations laid down by the Food Safety Department. The team further inspected all eateries in the town which were instructed to get registered. All Bishnupur District Working Journalists Union felicitated Barlin Meitei, son of Oinam Brojan, who secured first position in the Class 12 Art Stream Examination 2019 conducted by COSEM. District Information Officer Bishnupur Thokchom Ranjit Singh, ABDWJU President Y. Somananda, Vice President Dr. H. Raman, Secretary A. Kisan Kumar, and several other journalists of the district were present during the event. The union presented Barlin with gifts and also prayed for his bright future. Berlin is a student of enlightened knowledge, Sangakpam. He secured 445 marks out of 500 in the examination, scoring 91 out of 100 marks in political science and 92 in home science. The storeroom of the Lamka Post a local vernacular daily located at Komintang in New Lamka, Churachandpur district, caught fire last night. A report says the blaze occurred around 10:30 p.m. Electric short circuit is believed to be the cause of the fire. As a part of the campaign tour, Lyric Ningthi Natamsi, Let's Learn Accurately, jointly carried out by Manipuri Students Federation MSF Head Office Imphal and MSF Jiribam District Committee, led by Federation President Ngarianabam Milan, inspected schools at Boroi Khan, Sabugad and Babu Khan of Jiribam District. During the inspection, it was learned that students and teachers of these schools face difficulties due to inconvenience of road connectivity. External Affairs Secretary MSF Head Office Maibam Julesh Singh, Finance Secretary Head Office Yandrembam Bungcha, Secretary Muhammad Jishan, President MSF Jiribam District Committee Atom Rajiv and Assistant Finance Secretary Jiribam District Committee were part of the school inspection visit. Konthojam Ibungot Macha, a local resident near Borokol School, said that during his 3-year stay in the place, he hasn't seen a single teacher or student in the school. Another resident, NG Kantamani, said that he is working there, but his family has opted for more convenient place for studies. He added that the only way to reach there is through a road to Assam by taking 2 hours by motorboat passing through Lengang Pokpi. He said that the residents are planning to buy a JCB to make a footpath.
Upay uwi bay na dum tawriba makada putharaga lai kharga tamali lambi gi dilekti lambi se ising lambi am lay aduga khong lambi ka tharom dagi asam lambi tawga khong lambi ma phawdo phawing tawba dali aduma job card ki paisa sina akoi gi isana lawdre paisa ji akoi na mayam punchalaga GCP oina wairaga aduna lambi kakpa gi phibam da lambi kak lai babu khan lanjala pai phibam da lai re na.
MSF President Ngarianbam Milan said that during the school inspection at Boroikal, it was quite visible that there were no sufficient primary teachers, students and infrastructure. It has clearly indicated that Let's Go to Village and government-sponsored schemes meant for students have no meaning at all. He added, President MSF Jiribam District Committee Atom Rajiv said that students of the Boroikal, Babukal and Shabukhat have chosen more conveniently located schools, but the displeasure is that teachers are getting paid without work. He urged the concerned authority to look into the matter.
School sigi phibam se akhoi nga yamna yeng haidaba mong da akhoi na uba phange school sigi infrastructure development gi akhoi gi tongan scheme sigi makha da SSA gi kai gi leiriba aduga government gi school education gi leiriba magi facility sing asa masi amobok phangbagi akhoi khudong chawa phangbagi mami amata tadre masimak paliba lenga asigi akhoi khungang chasi haiba aduga go to village kaina hariba aduga mahi ningthina tamnana bagi adumba mahi tamsi school chachi hariba project sing scheme sing asa masi fail oibagi adugum ba chawba mami khak tare.
Now for a quick break, stay with us.
Kangla Packaged Drinking Water, a unit of Lamjingba Group, Chingmang Poising, Nambol, Bishnupur District, Manipur, 795134. We aim to provide minerals added and purified drinking water to every household of the state Manipur, ensuring good and healthy life for all. Silent features, RO-treated purified water, added minerals, state-of-art infrastructure water plant, processed and packaged under hygienic condition, sterilized water bottles, natural and clear stream water source, features and benefits, free home delivery, a filled jar free subscription on registration, 1 month free subscription on registration, Rs 500 registration fee, 30 bottles per month, that is 600 liters, Rs 250 subscription fee per month, 2 months free on subscription of a year. Subscription type monthly Rs 250, half yearly Rs 1500, quarterly Rs 750, yearly Rs 3000. For more details, please contact us at 8257 888 737 or email us at lamjingbakanglawwater@gmail.com.
Artist khara lawzagadori Manipuri tele serial nirupamagi damakta artist khara lawzagadori Thawai yauba nupa amasung nupi artist singna masagi photograph amasung biodata ga loinana Tom TV da pisinbiu akupa marol gi damak contact tobirau 8837265974 natraga 9402991938
Nirupama, Nirupama, Nirupama.
Welcome back after the break. Laishram Pritam of Lamjingba Times was selected as one of the nominees of AMWJU President as per norms laid down by the union. Staffs of Tom TV and Lamjingba Times have celebrated the selection of Pritam. Imphal Free Press reporter Levon Jimmy meanwhile clarified that he resigned from the Standing Committee of All Manipur Working Journalists Union AMWJU on his own volition and that there was no question of expressing any anger which led to his resignation. The first match of the football match organized by Tentau Kongbal Welfare Association at Tentau Kongbal Multiplex Ground ended in a draw today. Lisbon, Luang Sangbam and R. Ragu FC Tambal Chingya clashed in the first match. The Explore 2019 Summer Camp has organized a marathon interaction of campers with Manipuri film actress Hijam Bala and soccer star Dheeraj to mark the second day yesterday. Space science prodigy Ronaldo presented his talk, A Peep into Space, on the first day. Students at the camp are learning science principles, critical thinking skills and the art of public speaking, along with a number of games. The New Era Higher Secondary School organized a felicitation program for Abhinash Ilangbam, who secured 4th position in the COSEM Class 12 Science Examination, and Laishram Rashmi, who secured 20th position at the school's complex today. Professor of Department of Life Science, Manipur University, M. Mohilal, Associate Professor of DM College, Dr. Akoijam Brojan, Social Scientist Dr. Dhanabir Laishram, and Principal of Evergreen Flowers School, Dr. Okram Ibo Pishak, were the main guests. As part of the program, 2 student position holders, 3 top students in computer science, and 31 students who got Inspire Scholar Awards and the teachers were presented with simple gifts during the function. Speaking at the occasion, Professor Mohilal said education is essential for the foundation of a successful and welfare society and urged each and everyone in the society to give utmost importance to education. He further said the youth should have solid foundation of education to achieve their future goal and dreams.
ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯄꯥꯝꯃꯤꯁꯤ ꯂꯥꯏꯔꯤꯛ ꯍꯩꯕ ꯂꯥꯏꯁꯨ ꯈꯪꯕ ꯍꯌꯦꯡ ꯃꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯍꯩꯕ ꯑꯐꯥꯎꯕ ꯃꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔ ꯁꯃꯥꯖꯀꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯀꯔꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯈꯔ ꯇꯧꯕꯗꯨꯅꯦ ꯃꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯄꯥꯝꯖꯔꯤꯁꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯅꯅꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯇꯁꯦꯡꯅ ꯏꯗꯨꯀꯦꯁꯟꯁꯤꯗ ꯃꯔꯨ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯤꯕꯁꯦ ꯀꯔꯤꯅꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯁ꯭ꯀꯨꯜꯗ ꯏꯁꯝ ꯁꯝ ꯗꯤꯒ꯭ꯔꯤ ꯑꯃ ꯐꯪꯕꯗꯨ ꯅꯠꯇꯦ ꯗꯤꯒ꯭ꯔꯤꯗꯨꯒ ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯍꯩꯕ ꯌꯥꯕ ꯃꯥꯏ ꯇ꯭ꯔꯦꯠ ꯑꯃ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯁꯤꯟꯐꯝ ꯑꯃ ꯍꯩꯕꯗꯨꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯄꯥꯝꯖꯔꯤꯁꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯇꯁꯦꯡꯅ ꯉꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯁꯃꯥꯖꯁꯦ ꯏꯗꯨꯀꯦꯁꯟꯗ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯗꯔꯀꯥꯔ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯤꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯁꯦ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯈꯟꯕ ꯋꯥꯈꯜ ꯈꯟꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯀ꯭ꯔꯤꯇꯤꯀꯦꯜ ꯊꯤꯡꯀꯤꯡ ꯈꯟꯖꯟꯕ ꯉꯝꯕ ꯃꯥꯅ ꯇꯧꯔꯤꯁꯤ ꯀꯔꯤꯒꯤꯅꯣ ꯀꯔꯤꯗ ꯂꯥꯛꯄ ꯌꯥꯏ ꯀꯔꯤꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯀꯔꯝꯗꯒꯤꯅꯣ ꯃꯔꯝ ꯀꯔꯤꯒꯤꯅꯣ ꯀꯥꯟ ꯄꯨꯊꯣꯛꯄ ꯉꯝꯕ ꯁꯣꯂꯨꯁꯟ ꯄꯨꯊꯣꯛꯄ ꯉꯝꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ intelligence leiba aduge character leiba adugma satra puthokpa darkar hoi gan hainaribisi masidakini.
In a joint operation, the BSF and Customs Department seized 17,000 Myanmar-made Yaba WY tablets worth up to ₹85 lakh from a house in Tripura's Sepahijali district. The Yaba tablets were recovered from a house in Durgapur area under Sonamura of Sepahijala district along the Indo-Bangladesh border. This is the 3rd largest seizure of Yaba in recent times. And now for another quick break. Stay with us.
Admission is going on. Saraswati Institute of Management and Paramedical Science, Pangai, opposite to 6 IRB MPTC Pangai, Pangai Road, Imphal, Manipur. North East ki oina ihan hana Saraswati Institute of Management and Paramedical Science, Pangai na BSc Forensic Science course, Manipur da hangle. Mapalamda chatrabasu hayengma college cha lakituna admission tawbihoro akakna basikni.
Welcome back. 5 Rohingya Muslims, including a woman, were arrested by a joint team of Railway Protection Force and Government Railway Police at Guwahati Railway Station yesterday. They were arrested from platform number 1 in the railway station when they were trying to board a train to leave for New Delhi. The police team booked 2 boys and a girl on suspicion from the platform number 1 as they failed to produce any document to identify themselves. They have been identified as Makak Mayum Sahinas, Mohammad Zubar, Mohammad Kamal Hussain, Nurul Hakim, and Mohammad Kalimullah. All of them hail from Myanmar. The police recovered Myanmar-made fruit packets, sweets, white coffee, and other items from them. Police claim that they have been arrested in Manipur in 2018 but got released. During interrogation, they told police that they were trying to collect certificate of refugee status from United Nations High Commissioner for Refugees in New Delhi. With a view to maintain peace and communal harmony, the Hailakandi District Administration held discussions with senior citizens, political leaders, and organizations over the recent communal violence. The district administration said night curfew in the district will continue for the next 10 days. Centre extended the ban on the liberation of tigers of Tamil Eelam today for the violent and disruptive activities which were prejudicial to the integrity and sovereignty of India. The Ministry of Home Affairs renewed its 2014 notification to declare LTTE as an unlawful association for another 5 years. Mobs slashed to death a Sri Lankan Muslim man despite a nationwide curfew imposed last night after anti-Muslim riots spread to 3 districts north of the capital in a violent backlash against Easter suicide bombings. The 45-year-old man died shortly after admission to a hospital in Puttalam district during the rioting which began on Sunday in the areas. A Jaish-e-Mohammed terrorist with a ₹2 lakh reward on his head was arrested in J&M case Srinagar and has been brought to Delhi on transit remand. The terrorist Abdul Majid will be presented before Srinagar's Chief Judicial Magistrate. He was arrested on May 11 by a team of special cell based on a tip-off. A powerful bomb attached to a motorcycle killed 4 policemen guarding a mosque in the southwestern city of Quetta, the capital of Balochistan province. 10 people were also wounded in the bombing. The bombing came 2 days after another insurgent group, the Baloch Liberation Army, stormed a luxury hotel in the coastal town of Gwadar, triggering a shootout that left all 3 assailants, a special forces soldier, and 4 hotel employees dead. Balochistan province has been the scene of a low-level insurgency by separatists demanding more autonomy and greater share in the region's natural resources such as gas and oil. The Pakistani Taliban quickly released a statement claiming responsibility for the attack. Now let's go through some of the daily local newspaper headlines.
The Shanghai Express. In the course of studying vast-scale destructions caused to maize plantations, new butterfly species detected. Imphal-More Highway handed over to Assam Rifle. Renovate Khopum Dam, says Khopum Area Village Authority Council to government. The People's Chronicle. Action plan for clean Nambul River submitted to Centre. Policy for effective solid waste management soon, says T.H. Harikumar. Northeast CEOs RO's trend on poll counting. National Highway Infrastructure Development Corporation Limited negates Manipur Truck Owner Welfare Association's Wax's claim. Divider in chief, title to Modi is right, asserts Kamal Nath. Congress has no problem abusing me, says Prime Minister. Imphal Free Press. Package with seeming Uranium Corporation of India markings found at More. Solid waste management policy will be created soon, says T.H. Harikumar. Lamka post offset machines storeroom gutted in fire. Maffitel Dam affected villages headman chief and elderly organization. JSC against forced construction of Maffitel Dam resolve not to accept government's meeting invitation. The Morning Bell. Maffitel Dam affected villages decline government invitation for talk. 210 staffs for Eklavya Model School recruited defying election model code of conduct, says Rongmei Students Organization Manipur. 45-year-old rapist sentenced to 10 years rigorous imprisonment. Uranium block causes ruffle in More.
Before we wind up today's news, the top stories once again. Man falls into Taobao River, feared dead. Police named 7 suspects in St. Joseph Higher Secondary School Suknu arson attack. And food safety officials inspect fruit shops, eatable items sold at Moray. Thank you for watching. That's all for the news today. Have a good night.